Pescador. The Pescador series of sit-on-top kayaks are designed to be the best all-around boats for the money. Unmatched comfort, stability, speed, and straight tracking performance make it fun for even new paddlers to explore lakes, ponds, and flatwater rivers. Ready to fish right out of the box, the Pescador is loaded with features. Molded-in rod and cup holders are standard, and multiple gear tracks and a solo mount recess make it easy to customize, with accessories like cameras and fishing rod holders. A covered oval hinged hatch allows for extra dry cargo and ease of access, and a larger tank well is sure to fit popular fishing crate sizes, giving you more comfort for your money. The Pescador seat outperforms comparable models with thick ergonomic padding and an adjustable seat back for personalized support. Rugged and low maintenance, the Pescador features Perception's legendary one-piece roto-molded high-tech polymer construction for superior UV, impact, and abrasion resistance. Proudly designed, molded, and hand-assembled in the USA and available in a variety of colors, the Pescador is a great choice for all-around comfort and performance. To learn more, visit your local authorized Perception Kayaks dealer.
AQUAGLIDE's Navarro 145 is a 1- or 2-person convertible open deck or sit-inside kayak. It's 14 feet and 5 inches in length, weighs 40 pounds, and has a 500-pound capacity for paddler and gear. The convertible design offers the best of both worlds. The open deck design makes for easy entry and exit. When the weather is nice, you get the open top experience. An optional zip-in deck offers protection from the elements when the weather is wet or cold. You get the sit-inside experience when the top is closed. There are 2 zip-in deck options. There's a single cockpit deck for solo paddling and a double cockpit deck for tandem paddling. Decks sold separately. The inflatable cockpit rim or rims help keep the water out. The cockpits accept a spray skirt for added warmth and dryness. Skirts sold separately. Its whole design puts a premium on stability and comfort, and its low rocker design aids in tracking for long-range trips. It uses AQUAGLIDE's hard bottom technology for maximum stiffness, comfort, and performance. The tubes are constructed with welded bladders and an outer skin of Hex Shell 600 denier ripstop polyester for durability and UV resistance. This outer skin is also used for the non-removable bow and stern decks. The hard bottom floor is built with heavy-duty, high-pressure drop stitch construction for durability and rigidity. The bow features a comfortable carry handle. The front deck has a zipper for easy access to storage in the bow. The bungee rigging offers secure storage for dry bags or other gear above the deck. This offers easy access while on the water. Under the deck is an inflatable deck riser. This raises the deck for more legroom and helps shed water. Paddle holders on both tubes offer hands-free access when fishing, birdwatching, or grabbing a cold drink. 2 side handles for solo carrying. The core seat features a thick padded seat cushion. The seat cushion anchors to the floor with hook and loop strips. The adjustable high back rest offers lots of support and comfort. The breathable mesh panels keeps your back cool. This seat easily installs in seconds with quick release buckles. When in the open cockpit configuration, full-length hook and loop strips on the floor offer infinite anchor points for the seat for tandem or solo paddling. It also features AQUAGLIDE's FaceTime seating option. The bow seat can be installed facing the stern paddler. Great for keeping kids engaged in conversation. It's also perfect when tandem fishing or doing an on-water picnic. It includes foot braces that attach with hook and loop strips to the floor for easy adjustment and installation. The rear deck has a zippered hatch for easy access to storage in the stern. There are 4 easy access valves for inflating the side tubes, floor, and deck riser. 2 Boston valves on the tubes, 1 twist lock valve for the deck riser, and 1 Halkey-Roberts style valve on the high pressure floor. Inflation with a hand pump takes about 10 minutes. A 12-volt electric low pressure pump is recommended to inflate for quickness and ease, then a quick top off to proper pressure with a hand pump. Pumps and valve adapters are not included, they are sold separately. There's a drain plug in the stern. When on shore, you can open this drain and lift the bow to drain any water that may be in the boat. For increased tracking, there's a fin box in the stern, and it comes with AQUAGLIDE's quick-release weedless fin. It includes a duffel-style carrying and storage bag. The boat and bag easily fits into a trunk, a closet, or in your RV. They can even be checked in as luggage on a flight. Navarro 145 is AQUAGLIDE's most versatile kayak. It can be paddled as a solo or tandem, as an open top or a sit-inside. It's the Swiss Army knife of kayaks.
The Journey Series sit-on-top fishing kayaks have everything an angler needs for a relaxing day on the water. The hull design provides maximum stability and performance. The Dolphin Journey is ideal for lakes, rivers, and streams. Lightweight and easy to carry, the Journey will get you to your favorite fishing spot. Available in both 10 and 12-foot models, the Journey offers many features and benefits to enhance your fishing experience, including protective thigh pads for your total convenience. Paddle holder keeps paddles secured to kayak. Adjustable padded seat for your paddling comfort. Swivel rod holder conveniently located and locks fishing rod in place. 2 flush mount holders for when you want multiple fishing rods. Adjustable foot braces to accommodate all paddlers. Storage compartment with shot cord deck rigging for all your extra fishing gear. Removable portable accessory carrier for extra storage. Spacious storage area with shot cord deck rigging gives ample room for your accessories. Easy access compartment for smaller belongings. Retractable carrying handles for ease of transportation. Large open cockpit allows the easiest of entry. Made from durable, dent-resistant, high-density polyethylene that will last for many years and comes with a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. With all these exceptional features, the Journey Series kayaks offer great performance and versatility. The Journey Sit on Top fishing kayaks are durable, stable, and ideal for your next fishing adventure.
Ultralight and rigid, the Aquaglide Deschutes 110 makes it effortless to paddle to your destination. Its open cockpit design offers easy entry and exit. It's a solo kayak with a 250-pound capacity for paddler and gear. The whole design features a low rocker profile and sleek narrow tubes for better tracking, glide, and speed. With its combination of stiffness, length, and its lightweight, it offers excellent performance for longer range trips. Commercial-grade Duratex fabric is Aquaglide's lightest, stiffest, and most durable material. Welded and airtight tubes are single layer without the need for bladders. The feather frame inflatable crossbeam provides structural integrity. No hassling with poles or other add-on pieces to provide stiffness. Quick and simple to set up. The bow features a carry handle, deck bungee, and a splash guard. The deck bungee offers added storage for dry bags or other gear. The splash guard helps keep water out of the cockpit. An EVA-covered floor reduces weight and no inflation is needed. This makes for easy and fast setup. The solid floor gives the paddler a lower center of gravity for added stability. The core seat offers a thick padded seat cushion, along with a breathable and adjustable high back rest. The seat cushion anchors to the floor with hook and loop strips. The seat installs in seconds with its quick release buckles. The bungee straps on the stern deck provide secure storage for dry bags or other gear. Stern handles makes for easy carrying. 2 side handles help when moving or carrying. A drain plug in the stern offers easy drainage of the cockpit when on shore. 3 easy access valves for inflating. Takes about 10 minutes to inflate with a hand pump. A 12-volt electric low-pressure pump is recommended to inflate for quickness and ease, then a quick top-off to proper pressure with a hand pump. Pumps are not included and sold separately. For increased tracking, there is a fin box in the stern and it comes with the Aquaglide's quick-release weedless fin. This kayak includes a backpack-style storage bag. The boat and pack easily fit into the trunk of a car, a closet, or in your RV. They can even be checked in as luggage on a flight. The Deschutes 110 offers great paddle performance on lakes and mellow rivers. Its ultra-light weight makes for easy transportation to and from the water.